Lindsborg, Kansas, also known as Little Sweden, USA. In the heart of America, Lindsborg is a small town with prominent churches, historic castles, innovative schools, and dollar horses. Lots of dollar horses. Dollars are deceptively cute. However, do not be fooled by the bright exteriors. They are a wild breed, barely tamed, running free through the imaginations of this prairie space, and have been for the 150 years Lindsborg has been a town. Around here, you will be outnumbered by dollar horses. You've been warned. Prepare to be overwhelmed in Lindsborg. For more information about Lindsborg's 150th anniversary celebration activities, go to www.lindsborg150th.com.